I'll be showing you how to factory reset your PC or laptop. Now, if you did log onto the computer just like how I'm logged on, the first thing that we are going to do is right click just on your mouse, and then we are going to go to shut down or sign out. So we are going to sign out. We are going to press on our keyboard the shift button and hold that shift button, the left shift button on our keyboard. We're going to click anywhere here, and then we are going to go to below over here the power button, click on that, restart, release that shift button. It's asking us if we should continue or troubleshoot. We're going to troubleshoot. Press on reset this PC. We're going to press on remove everything. As you see over here, it opens up a window saying resetting this PC. We're gonna just remove my files. We're gonna click on that. It's gonna start the process.
Subscribe for more.
And that's it.
Link in
Well, I
bio.
hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe, and share. And see you again next time.